Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show that brings you the best press releases out of the small cap world every morning before they open, so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe even find your next great small cap investment. Now it's Monday, November the 5th, and as promised, it's a strong news cycle day, so I've got 6 press releases for you from both sides of the border, dealing mainly in energy and resources. So strap yourself in because we've got 6 great press releases. Let's start off first with Largo Vista. Trades on the OTC under the stock symbol LGOV. For frequent viewers of the show, you know I like these up-and-coming Chinese companies. I like this one because they signed a contract to develop a liquid petroleum gas pipeline to 192 homes in the Guizhou province. Now, that isn't a big number, but according to Chief Financial Officer Denise Deng, this is Largo's 11th residential pipeline project. So they're obviously repeating the success over and over again. And when you're in China and you're able to do this, that means big success going, or potential success going forward. Now, the project is expected to begin in early 2008 and is expected to end within 100 days from construction. So look for this deal to be done sometime in the first half of 2008. Largo Vista is actually going to own the pipeline, which means they'll probably bring in the revenue, and at the same time, they'll be responsible for maintenance. The company, as I said earlier, deals in the Guizhou province, which has a population right now of over 40 million people. Well, one caveat, the company is trading at 1 cent, so I'm not sure what that's about. Do they have high number of shares outstanding? Is it they haven't done much promotion? The world really doesn't know about them, so you're going to have to take a closer look. But on its face, that's a great press release. Next up, switching over to the TSX Venture. AFS Alternative Fuel Systems receives an order of just over $500,000 for new vehicle programs in India. AFS trades on the stock symbol AFX on the TSX Venture Exchange. The number is $540,000 in Canadian funds, and is from 2 of India's largest motor vehicle builders. What did they order? They ordered engine controllers, which significantly enhance engine performance and exhaust emission in vehicles. And as you can imagine, especially in places like India, this kind of technology is critical from both a fuel savings and at the same time from a clean energy point of view. I've got a quote here. AFS President and CEO Jim Perry stated, "One of the OEMs that has chosen our products is Tata Motors, India's largest manufacturer of motor vehicles." That's big. We're developing a customized engine controller for a new light truck they are introducing that is fueled by compressed natural gas. If the new vehicle is successful in the market, there may be substantial follow-up orders for our products. I really like this press release. Small cap TSX Venture Company, India's largest manufacturer of motor vehicles, doing a deal together. A lot of potential upside. I mean, they still have to prove that this vehicle is going to be successful. But what a great first step for AFS. The company is trading right now at about 8 cents on the TSX Venture Exchange. Next up, switching back to the OTC, is SAN Holdings, which announced a contract win for $1.4 million from the Department of Defense. SAN trades on the stock symbol SNZH on the OTC. As always with these military and DoD contracts, you don't get a lot in detail, but what we do know, it's for integrated data solutions from the Department of Defense, so to provide them with a comprehensive data backup solution. That's all we know, but it is a small cap company, $1.4 million of DoD. They're trading right now at 40 cents. Good news for SAN. Back to the TSX Venture. Rainy River trades on the venture on the stock symbol RR. They intersected a 4-meter wide semi-massive sulfide horizon grading. Listen to this. 25.67 grams per ton of gold and 184 grams per ton of silver. It's a step-out hole on a zone that they already discovered. It's part of a 2,000-meter drill hole that was designed to test that original hole and around known gold mineralization. What they found here is the new zone is characterized by unusually high silver values. So going over those numbers again, 4 meters, 25.67 grams per ton of gold, 184 grams per ton of silver, including half a meter of 192.72 grams of gold per ton, and 1,289 grams of silver per ton, as well as 1.11% copper. Nelson Baker, President and CEO of the company, as always with these kind of press releases, it's better hear it from the horse's mouth, because with these technical results, you don't always know how significant these news are. Nelson Baker, President and CEO of Rainy River, stated, "This occurrence of the new mineralized area 400 meters south of the known gold zones illustrates that significant mineralization in Richardson Township is not restricted to the 17 gold trend. This new discovery significantly impacts the exploration potential of the area. The high silver values are an added bonus. The company right now is trading at $4.32. That's off as highs of $5.75, but that's great news coming out of them. Next up, going back to the OTC and Frankfurt, Gold Resource Corporation trades on the OTC under the stock symbol GORO, as well as on Frankfurt under the stock symbol GIH. They're announcing the possibility of hitting a second gold vein at their El Rey property in Mexico. It returned 1.5 meters of 11.22 grams of ton per gold and 986 grams of silver per ton. It's located about 95 kilometers from GRC's proposed El Aguila mill. It's expected to commence production. The El Aguila mill is expected to commence production in mid-2008. That's subject to regulatory approvals, permits, and so on and so forth, but it also looks like it's subject to some financing, so they may be a little while off from that. Nonetheless, we've got a quote here from William Reed, the president of Gold Resources, stated, El Rey is developing as a high-grade gold system that appears to have two veins, the second of which contains significant silver credits. We're expecting that with continued drilling, we may be able to develop high-grade gold to be shipped to the proposed El Aguila mill, beginning the first year of operation, providing additional high-grade gold feed to the mill with important silver credits. The company right now is trading at US $4.59. That's where it closed on Friday. And finally, for our friends in London, Ithaca Energy, which trades on the AIM on the stock symbol IAE, as well as on the TSX Venture on the stock symbol IAE. They received credit approval for $60 million credit facility with the senior secured credit facility with the Royal Bank of Scotland, and the money is going to be utilized to develop their Athena and Jackie discoveries. What I really like about deals like this is no dilution. The company's got a couple of looks like oil discoveries. They've got two on the Athena. What they've got there is successfully drilled, tested, and suspended 2 oil wells for future production. So now they're able to further those goals without having to suffer any dilution. That's smart. I like that. Brad Gunn, the CFO, stated, to add a little bit of context, this loan facility is an enormous step forward in the advancement of the Athena and Jackie discoveries to first production. The company right now is trading at $4.05. That's it. Pretty significant news out of both the energy and resources side of the business. As always, take a look at our blog where we'll be posting these notes, and if you have any comments that you can add or any further due diligence, they're welcome. If you look for more great small cap companies, the AGORACOM small cap marketplace, we've got over 75 small caps divided by industry and exchange on both sides of the border, so you can find companies that are best suited for your portfolio and your investing style. That's it for the day. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.